Keeping your Vitara Brezza's infotainment system updated is crucial for optimal performance, new features, and bug fixes. OTA updates, available for 2022 plus models via the My Suzuki Connect app, offer seamless updates for firmware, navigation, and connectivity over Wi-Fi or mobile data, typically taking 10 to 30 minutes. USB updates for older models or when OTA fails involve downloading files from Suzuki's website onto a FAT32 formatted USB drive, 8GB plus, inserting it into the infotainment port with the vehicle off, and following on-screen prompts. This method takes 30 to 60 minutes. System update in progress. Map updates are region-specific and can be done via USB for older models or OTA for newer models, enhancing lane guidance and traffic data. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard on 2023 plus models, improving compatibility with newer smartphone OS versions. Looking ahead, expect increased OTA update adoption, integration with AI and cloud services for personalized navigation, and a focus on EV-specific features like battery monitoring. Future systems may support V2X communication for real-time traffic updates. Regularly check for updates every 3 to 6 months to ensure your system remains secure and up to date.